07 to 2016 Komatsu Excavator. Model PC138us LC11, hours 1536. Damage: trailer flipped over while being transported. Located up the East Coast area. Looking for firm offers. This is not exclusive, there are multiple other salvage people working this deal. You will need to be competitive against everyone out there. Do you bid nationwide on damaged construction equipment? If you specialize repairing, reman, overhauling heavy equipment, and you are a strong bidder, get in touch with me. Can you win salvage sales machinery and heavy equipment on a consistent basis? Contact me with your specialty. If you are a lowball bidder always trying to get it free or cheaper than everyone, don't waste my or your time. If you can't bid without plates, move on. All others contact me, TexasSalvageBuyer@gmail.com.